Low-carb, high-protein Indian recipes you can enjoy on your weight loss diet. If you are following a weight loss diet, you would know how difficult it is to manage with limited meal options, especially in India where carb-rich roti rules our plates. Most weight loss diets like keto diet minimize the consumption of carbohydrates and focus more on proteins. Keto diet is believed to put in motion a shift in the body from burning carbs that release energy to burning fats. But if your palate still demands the desi Indian flavors, go for some Indian food options for keto diet that you can enjoy even without carb-rich breads and rice. Wondering which Indian foods are keto-friendly? We found some classic low-carb Indian foods that qualify as keto-friendly foods. Isn't it something you always wanted to have your favorite desi foods on your weight loss diet? Well, we are happy to help. Here are 5 recipes for your Indian food keto diet plan. Number 1. Butter chicken and butter can easily translate to proteins and fats, the perfect combination for a keto meal. Who wouldn't want to have this beloved Indian dish anytime they want? It's a good thing that you are on a keto diet. You can make others jealous by gorging on this tangy and creamy delight. Number 2. Paneer Burji Paneer undisputedly tops the favorites list of vegetarians in India. As per the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA data, a 100 grams portion of cottage cheese has just 3.4 grams of carbs and 11 grams of proteins. Number 3. Palak Paneer, another Indian paneer dish that is loved by all. 100 grams of palak has only 3.6 grams of carbs, as per the USDA data. Palak and paneer make for a stellar combination for both your taste buds and weight loss goals on keto diet. Number 4. Dal Makhani. Are you loving our list already? Here comes another winner dish. Dal Makhani never fails to impress us. Enjoy the same flavors in this Dal Makhani that replaces urad black dal with chironji seeds and reduces the amount of carbs by a marginal amount. Number 5. Keto dosa. We are not even asking if you like dosa or not. We already know the answer. Now enjoy your ever-loved South Indian dosa on keto diet by making this version that replaces carb-rich rice flour with low-carb almond flour. Remember to focus on incorporating healthy fats such as coconut oil, avocado, and olive oil into your keto diet plan to help you reach and maintain ketosis. It's also important to choose high-quality proteins like grass-fed beef and free-range chicken, and to include a variety of vegetables to ensure you're getting all the nutrients you need. Thank you.